Hi, my name is Shamiri Kasina Binti Shamron.
Hello everyone, my name is Pendeta Binti Za'Ba.
Hi, my name is Nasrullah. Hi, my name is Farha Isani.
Our project is called Nature's Shield Candle. This innovation was inspired by our concern for health, well-being, and everyday problems at home. This project presents the development of an aromatherapy candle using clove and lavender essential oils. The candle is designed with dual functions, repelling flies naturally and promoting relaxation through aromatherapy. By using natural active compounds, this innovation offers a safer alternative to chemical propellants and synthetic fragrances, supporting WSDG, good health and well-being.
Flies are one of the most common household pests, especially in kitchens. According to the World Health Organization, houseflies can transmit more than 65 diseases, including diarrhea, cholera, and food poisoning. At the same time, stress and anxiety have become global health challenge. The World Health Organization reported that 1 in 8 people worldwide with mental health conditions such as stress, depression, or anxiety. To solve these two problems, we created an innovation that combines natural science with sustainable living known as Nature's Shield Candle. The Nature's Shield Candle made with clove and lavender essential oils. This candle has two functions: repels flies naturally, reducing dependence on chemical risks, provides aromatherapy benefits, helping people feel more relaxed and calm.
When we use these ingredients, active ingredients, clove contains eugenol for insect neurotoxin and stem. Lavender contains linalool for blood solution agents and insect repellents.
Our project aligns with Sustainable Development Goal 3, good health and well-being. By repelling flies, our candle supports healthy living environments and reduces risks of disease transmission. By offering aromatherapy, it contributes to mental well-being by reducing stress and promoting relaxation. This is important because good health is not only about avoiding illness, but also about ensuring emotional balance and overall well-being.
Our candle is safe, eco-friendly, and made from natural ingredients instead of chemical repellents which may harm the environment and human health. We use biodegradable wax and plant-based oils. This innovation shows how science and sustainability can work together to solve real-world problems.
Results. A. Repellence test. Candles infused with clove oil and lavender oil reduce fly presence by 80% with only 3 flies observed compared to 15 in the control within 30 minutes. Repellency percentage was calculated using the standard entomological formula where C is the number of flies observed in the control group and T is the number of flies in the candle treatment group. This method is recommended in WHO repellence testing guidelines. B. User feedback. A total of 20 participants were involved in providing feedback on the product. 80% of the respondents reported feeling calmer after the exposure to the candle aroma. 85 experienced a more relaxed state. 90 indicated that they liked the smell of the candle. 95% stated the way they would recommend this candle to friends.
In conclusion, our project supports SDG 3 by protecting physical health, promoting mental well-being, and encouraging sustainable practices. We believe that small innovation when applied widely can create a healthier and happier world. Thank you for watching!